In this video, we are going to show you how to get an amazing 30-day trial deal for Everywebinar. Now, Everywebinar is a specialized software platform that automates pre-recorded video presentations so they run automatically on a recurring schedule, allowing businesses to generate leads and sell products 24/7. Now, if you click on the link that we have provided on the description below, it's going to bring you to this page right here, which is their pricing page. Now, as you can see here, whether it's the 2-year plan, annual plan, or monthly plan, you have an option to start off your first month with just $1. So for example, if your annual plan is $99, you click start my trial. So $1 like so, this pop-up will appear. You need to enter your first name, last name, your email, where you're from. If you're a registered business, click on this. If not, then don't. Click continue, right? And you're gonna see here, first 30 days is $1. That is the best deal you can get. And then click continue. It's going to bring you to the payment option where you can pay with your credit card or debit card or with your Google Pay account, whichever you want. And that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.